Hello, my name is Dexter Hall with Protegis Fire and Safety, and we're here to talk about the HFP 11 thermal and smoke detector. This particular one is set up for the FS250, but it also can be used on the XLS. This particular device can be put in a garage or possibly in an area where there is going to be smoke, but the temperature on this detector is 135 degrees. We also have the HFPT heat detector. That's just a heat detector, same thing, 135 degrees. Speaking of the FS250, we have the main motherboard here. This is your CPU. You also have an SLC card. This is the one that all the devices connect to. And we have the FS DAC, which is a dialer if your system has a dialer to it. Also, other modules that are with this is the HTRIS, which is a single monitor module, and then you have the D, which is a dual monitor. And you can use these modules for water flow and tamper. You can just have one dual that you can cover both, or you can do a single and it'll do the same thing. So if you have any questions, just contact our sales department or visit us online at our e-store. Thank you.